Hi, I'm Julia. Welcome to On Site with Novel Remodeling. We're at this house that was built in 1929, and we actually redesigned all the interior and exterior, and we made it energy efficient. We laid in concrete slabs at the very front of the house. The windows are double pane, high-end mill guard windows. The solar panels that we placed on the roof are actually the most developed solar panels in the American industry by Solar World, American made. We did the wall and attic installation, painted all of the interior of the house. For the landscaping job, we made the entire front of the house a desert-tolerant landscape. Thank you for joining me. I'm Julia with Novel Remodeling, and we'll see you next time.